Understanding Databricks clusters is essential for leveraging powerful data processing capabilities. DW Videos presents an in-depth exploration of this topic. The session covers an introduction, configuration, and best practices for using Databricks clusters, offering a comprehensive guide for users. Discover the fundamentals of Databricks clusters, setting the stage for deeper insights into their functionality and benefits. Databricks clusters are scalable computational resources for data engineering, science, and analytics, supporting collaborative big data projects efficiently. Key components include driver nodes coordinating tasks, worker nodes executing jobs, and the Spark runtime enabling distributed data processing. Use cases span data engineering, data science, and data analytics, showcasing the versatility of Databricks clusters in handling diverse big data tasks. Databricks clusters provide a unified platform, enhanced performance, and cost effectiveness through distributed computing and scalable resources. Learn how to configure Databricks clusters to optimize performance and meet specific project requirements. Configuration options include choosing instance types, enabling autoscaling, and installing custom libraries for tailored environments. Cluster security features robust access control, network isolation, and encryption to safeguard data and resources. Scheduling and termination options help optimize resource utilization by automating job schedules, terminating idle clusters, and defining termination policies. Monitoring and logging capabilities offer detailed metrics, auditing, and alerting, ensuring efficient cluster management and troubleshooting. Explore best practices for using Databricks clusters to maximize performance, cost efficiency, and collaboration. Optimizing cluster performance involves effective partitioning strategies, caching, and query optimization to enhance data processing efficiency. Cost management strategies include proper resource allocation, configuring autoscaling policies, and cleaning up idle resources to minimize waste. Enhancing collaboration and workflow efficiency through version control integration, notebook best practices, and real-time collaborative features. Implementing disaster recovery and high availability strategies ensures resilience, continuous availability, and preparedness for data loss or system failures. Thank you for exploring Databricks clusters with DW Videos. Contact us for further assistance and learning resources.